Hey guys!
Hi!
So today we are going to sing Havana
By Camila Cabello.
We think.
I don't know.
So we hope you enjoy it.
Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. He didn't walk up with a how you doing. He said there's a lot of girls I can do with. I knew him forever in a minute. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na na na, Havana, oh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. You took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. I knew I was there when I read the sign. I knew it was him when he hugged from behind. Now he puts in work, but he's in the streets. Now this is the part that my daddy told me. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na na na, Havana, oh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, oh na na.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. Presley, you have anything else to say?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And comment any songs that you want us to sing next down below. And stay happy and positive. Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, sorry guys, we forgot that we had a few shout outs to give. But before that, we're going to tell you how you can get a shout out. Presley?
You can earn a shout out by commenting down below a suggestion.
Yep. And the two shout outs are
To corn,
to
Cute Cupcake, and Roblox Universe.
Yep. So
Don't forget, comment down below a suggestion and we will give you a shout out in our next video.
yep. Bye.
Bye.